to log in to Ally Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Ally Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Ally Bank and then login. And after searching, here you will have on the first search Ally login. Simply click on that and it will directly take you to the login page. So if you want to log into your account, then you have to enter your username, and after that you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your username and if you forgot your password, then you can go to forgot username or password and then you can reset or recover it. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go to create a profile, and from here you can create your account. And if you want to save your username on your PC or laptop, then you can simply click here to save. But if you don't want to save it, then unclick it. And then if you remember your credentials, then simply enter it and then you have to click on login. And that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Ally Bank online banking account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.